Hello, everybody. My name is Leah Swain. I am Sales Director for Certum Solutions. I've been with Certum for about 9 years. I started out as the point of sale specialist, and I am now the VP of Sales for Certum. So today we're just going to spend some time talking about best practices for sales, especially when working with customers for software solutions. I like to tell customers when I first meet them that I am not a salesperson, I am a solution provider, and there is quite a difference. I am not here to sell them the highest level of software with the most functionality and to push sales out the door to meet a quota at the end of the month. We all love commissions, but the main goal in doing sales is finding a proper solution for the customer that is both cost effective and will resolve any pain points that they have with their current solution. So the way that we do this, first we have our initial call with customers, and I ask them the who, what, when, where, why, and how questions. So who are they? What industry are they working in? What customers do they service? What does their business do? The next is what. What have you already seen? What solutions are you using currently? And what are you interested in looking at in more depth and detail? When are you looking to make a change for your current software? Is your current software going to be ending soon that we need to be really in a rush to find a solution and get your data transferred over? Or is this something that you're going to be doing at the end of the year for a go live the following fiscal year? Next, we ask, where are you located? Foreign accounts are going to have different taxations and different things that they need to be tracking versus accounts that are based solely in the US. In addition to that, if the customer has multi-locations and have that special functionality need, then we are going to need to know that as well. If they're going to need remote access so that people from across multiple states will be needing access to the company file, then that's going to be a different solution than someone who's working at a brick and mortar with only one location. Why are you looking to make the change? So what are your current pain points? What do you need the solution to solve for you in your everyday business? Maybe you don't currently have software. You're doing everything on pen and paper, and you're needing to really integrate and streamline those processes. That's definitely something, that can be done with the software, and oftentimes the reason why customers will be switching over. Lastly, how? How are you going to be putting this in place? Are you going to be training everybody in your business yourself when you need assistance with the data conversion? Do you have a project manager and a decision maker, or do you plan to take this in front of a board of members to approve the purchase? So those are all things that we need to hammer out to really get a good feel for each customer and what their reasoning is, and ensure that we're finding the best solution for them. You don't want to start at the top and try to sell the biggest commission software, the biggest solution. Everybody has a budget. I like to say that I treat all of my customers like my grandmother's best friend. It's her next door neighbor. They're trying to find a solution, and they don't want to spend more than they have to spend, but they want to make sure they get the functionality that they're looking for. I definitely don't want to anger my grandma by going in and saying, oh, yeah, I know they only could spend $200 a month, but we really thought that this $30,000 offer over here was the best for them. That's not doing us any favors, because our reputation is everything to us. We want to ensure that our customers are happy, that they're finding the most cost-effective solution for the functionality that's meeting their needs while not paying for functions that aren't necessary. In addition to that, if your customer is happy with the solution that you're offering them and it is within their budget, they are going to move forward with that. They're going to tell their friends. They're going to let everybody know how wonderful your business is and how helpful you were. At the end of the day, we're just here to help customers find solutions and hopefully make some friends along the way. We don't want to sell a large solution that's not a good fit and have an angry customer or somebody who doesn't understand the software because their team is not used to such a large platform. We want someone who's going to keep it year over year and have room for growth, obviously, but at the same time have something that fits their needs and their budget and makes them a happy consumer. I hope that this information was beneficial, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Again, I'm Leah Swain with Certum Solutions, and you can call me directly at 980-242-2009. Have a wonderful day.